Today meet I'm the gamer and I'm gamer Karere the gamer, okay? You see this dog is creepy strange. People just like dogs like this, but look what is he doing to the guy. Do you see that, people? Ladies and gentlemen, can you see what that dog did to him? You see? Guys, today we are gonna start more often with more videos, okay? So you guys will see us about 25 seconds. So just keep watching Amma the Gamer and Karere the Gamer. You guys will get pretty handy in this, okay guys? So don't give up on the like button, crash that like button and pretty good, okay? We're gonna start today with dog, but when the Xbox comes, it's gonna come now and you guys are gonna do some gaming. Get it? Gaming? Get it? Gaming? Woo! You see? This dog is crazy. I just don't get the dog. You see what is he doing right there? So you guys should let me learn you this. The dog shouldn't eat eggs. Remember that in your head. Raw meat, mushrooms, and that's all I got. So his name is Rocky, but actually we call him Squishy Paws. Okay? So there's those two guys standing like a fried fucking chicken. Oh man, you jumping the dog. Got it. I'm gonna do this video, okay, today. Look at the guy. Look at him. Look at me! Got it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Look the dog. I'm a dog.
You got a dog.
The camera cannot see nice because you are too close.
Dog. Look at the dog.
Look, he's trying to do something crazy. Wait,